Top 9 conditions you can treat with cloves. Cloves, known for their strong aroma and distinct taste, are a spice derived from the flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree. While commonly used to enhance the flavor of foods, cloves have a long history of being used in traditional medicine due to their rich nutritional profile and powerful medicinal properties. This small but potent spice is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help combat a range of health issues. In this video, we will explore the various health conditions and diseases that cloves can be very good for or may help treat. These benefits are largely attributed to the active compounds found in cloves, particularly eugenol, which has been extensively studied for its therapeutic effects. 1. Toothaches and oral health. One of the most well-known uses of cloves is in the treatment of toothaches and other oral health issues. Cloves have been used for centuries as a natural remedy for dental pain, thanks to their anesthetic and analgesic properties. The key active ingredient responsible for this is eugenol, which acts as a natural painkiller. Eugenol not only helps reduce pain but also fights bacteria that cause oral infections. Clove oil can be applied directly to the gums or teeth to relieve toothache, and it is often included in over-the-counter dental products like mouthwashes, toothpaste, and dental creams. Cloves can also help treat gum disease and prevent bad breath due to their antimicrobial properties. By eliminating harmful bacteria, cloves can reduce the risk of cavities, plaque buildup, and gum inflammation. Clove-based treatments are particularly effective in reducing symptoms of gingivitis, or gum inflammation, and periodontitis, a severe form of gum disease. 2. Arthritis and inflammation. Cloves are known for their potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce symptoms associated with chronic inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can contribute to the development of diseases like arthritis and other joint disorders. The eugenol in cloves acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, reducing the production of inflammatory cytokines and enzymes that contribute to pain and swelling. This makes cloves particularly beneficial for people suffering from rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis, both of which cause significant joint pain and stiffness. Studies have shown that consuming cloves or applying clove oil to the affected joints can alleviate pain and improve mobility in arthritis patients. The antioxidants in cloves, such as vitamin C and flavonoids, further support joint health by protecting cells from oxidative damage, which is often a factor in chronic inflammation. 3. Stomach ulcer and digestive health. Cloves have traditionally been used as a remedy for digestive issues, including indigestion, gas, and bloating. The compounds in cloves help stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, which aid in breaking down food more efficiently and promoting healthy digestion. As far as digestive health is concerned, cloves can be particularly useful for treating conditions like dyspepsia, flatulence, and gastric ulcers. Cloves have been found to increase the production of mucus in the stomach, which acts as a barrier against stomach acids and other harmful substances. The antioxidant properties of cloves also protect the digestive system from free radical damage, reducing the risk of inflammation and other gastrointestinal problems. 4. Asthma and respiratory conditions. Cloves have expectorant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions such as coughs, asthma, bronchitis, and the common cold. The compounds in cloves help clear mucus from the airways, making it easier to breathe and relieving symptoms of congestion and coughing. Cloves also contain antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can help fight respiratory infections. Eugenol, in particular, has been shown to inhibit the growth of certain strains of bacteria and viruses that can cause respiratory illnesses. Inhaling steam infused with clove oil or drinking clove tea can soothe the throat, reduce inflammation in the airways, and support overall respiratory health. For individuals suffering from asthma, cloves may help relax the bronchial tubes and reduce inflammation, providing relief from asthma attacks. The antioxidant activity of cloves may also protect lung tissue from damage caused by oxidative stress, which is often associated with chronic respiratory conditions. 5. Diabetes. Cloves may be beneficial in managing type 2 diabetes due to their ability to improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. Cloves contain compounds that mimic insulin, helping the body use glucose more efficiently and reducing spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. Studies have found that the polyphenols in cloves, particularly eugenol, help regulate blood glucose levels by increasing the activity of certain enzymes involved in glucose metabolism. This makes cloves a useful supplement for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. In addition to improving insulin function, cloves also contain fiber, which can slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, further contributing to blood sugar regulation. Including cloves in the diet may help prevent hyperglycemia, or high blood sugar, and reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications such as nerve damage, kidney disease, and heart disease. 6. Cancer. Emerging research suggests that cloves may have anti-cancer properties, making them a potential natural remedy for preventing and treating certain types of cancer. The high levels of antioxidants in cloves help protect cells from oxidative stress, which is a major factor in cancer development. Eugenol, the active compound in cloves, has been shown to have anti-cancer effects in various studies. It inhibits the growth of cancer cells, induces apoptosis, or programmed cell death, and prevents the spread of tumors. Cloves may be particularly effective against cancers of the digestive system, such as esophageal cancer, gastric cancer, and colon cancer. In addition to eugenol, cloves contain other bioactive compounds like gallic acid and quercetin, which have been studied for their ability to suppress tumor growth and reduce the risk of cancer progression. While more research is needed to fully understand the role of cloves in cancer prevention and treatment, the current evidence suggests that they could be a valuable addition to a cancer-fighting diet. 7. Heart health and atherosclerosis. Cloves can support heart health and help prevent conditions like atherosclerosis, which is the hardening of the arteries, by reducing inflammation and improving circulation. The antioxidants in cloves, particularly eugenol, help protect the heart and blood vessels from oxidative damage, which is a major contributor to heart disease. Cloves also help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. By lowering LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and increasing HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, cloves can prevent the narrowing of the arteries and improve overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, cloves may help regulate blood pressure by promoting the relaxation of blood vessels. This can help reduce the risk of hypertension, which is a major risk factor for heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular diseases. 8. Liver diseases and detoxification. Cloves are beneficial for liver health due to their ability to detoxify the liver and protect it from damage. The high levels of antioxidants in cloves, particularly eugenol, help neutralize free radicals that can cause oxidative stress and liver damage. Studies have shown that eugenol can improve liver function and reduce liver inflammation in people with conditions like fatty liver disease or hepatitis. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, cloves can help prevent the progression of liver disease and support overall liver health. Cloves also have detoxifying properties that can help the liver remove harmful toxins from the body. Including cloves in the diet may enhance the liver's natural detoxification processes, reducing the risk of liver-related diseases. 9. Osteoporosis and bone health. Cloves are rich in manganese, a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining bone health and preventing osteoporosis. Manganese helps in the formation of bone tissue and supports the production of enzymes involved in bone metabolism. In addition to manganese, cloves contain other bone-strengthening compounds such as vitamin K and calcium, which help maintain bone density and reduce the risk of fractures. The antioxidant properties of cloves also protect bone tissue from oxidative stress, which can contribute to bone loss and osteoporosis. Studies have shown that consuming cloves regularly can improve bone density and strength, making them a valuable addition to the diet for individuals at risk of osteoporosis or other bone-related conditions. Well, there you have it. Cloves are not just a kitchen spice. They're a natural powerhouse that can help with a variety of health issues, from toothaches to digestive problems, joint pain, and even managing diabetes. It's incredible what nature can offer us, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vitality Unplugged for more health tips and natural remedies. And let me know in the comments, how do you use cloves in your life? I'd love to hear your stories.